why spend money on a quick weave when you can easily do these styles with seamless clip-ins? Yes, you heard me right, clip-ins, and I'm about to show you how. All right, let's get into it. So I am about to do a seamless invisible ponytails using Goo Goo hair clips. I got these off Amazon for like, what, $50 around there? I don't know, they were actually pretty cheap. This is how the packaging looks too. And obviously this is not sponsored. So yeah, let's get into it. So these clip-ins are very full from root to tip. Like, I actually love them. Like, look at this. From root to tip. These are not the clip-ins that are like full at the root and then the tip just has no hair at all. So yeah, I love them very much. I do recommend getting 2 orders of clip-ins just if you want like a more full-ish look. The first style that I'm going to start off with is the ponytail. This, I love this. I've been using like ponytails that are hella bulky and I don't like the way that they look, so I love that this look is like super seamless. I start off by taking some hair out from the perimeter. Damn, I could barely see. Start off by taking some hair from the perimeter. I'll make sure that y'all can see too. And this is so that I can basically showcase where I want the ponytail to be at. So yeah, I basically section off as much hair as possible because this is the hair that's going to be covering the clips. So yeah, and as you can see, I could barely see, like I have my mirror in front of me, but I don't know how crooked my parting is, but as long as the clips do not show, that's all that matters to me. So kind of just eyeball it myself. Alrighty, once I did my parting, okay, I can finally see. Okay, once I did my parting, I tie this part up with my pony, with my hair tie, because this is where I want my ponytail to sit, right here. So I'm gonna tie this up. Make sure you leave off enough hair to cover the clips. There's different sizes of clips, but I usually like to start with these ones. 4 little clips on them closer to the actual ponytail area. So this is what I'm going to start off with. I actually need to flat iron this hair bit because I did use it one other time. Press this out a little bit. All right, it's perfect and ready to be put on my head. So I like to start off at the bottom first just because, I don't know, that's kind of like the hardest part for me. So we're going to start off at the bottom. And as you can see, so I literally clip it off right next to where the ponytail is at. That is where the clips will be. I hope you can see this, but this is literally where I start off. I always start off at the bottom, as I said, because I feel like that part's like a little harder for me because I can't really see, so I'm just like playing it out by I don't even know what, by my intuition at this point. So yeah, so that's exactly what we're going to be doing. Wow, I look like those scene kids. Also, I know this hair looks super light in this lighting, but I promise in natural lighting it actually matches my hair. I promise. Back here, like I said, I want to get as close as possible because I do want this ponytail to look, you know, pretty thick. I don't want it to look thin as heck. Parting might be really crazy, but I promise that does not matter because all of this is going to be covered anyway. But as you can see, this clip is actually pretty much towards the end here, so now we're going to start, oh wait, I don't know if you can see, towards the end here. So now we're going to start going for the top of the pony. We're actually going to start off with the 2 clipper close to the top of the pony. So yeah, this is where the pony's at. And this is where we're going to clip, clip, clip. We really want to make sure it's as flat as possible. I'm noticing I see a clip here, so I'm going to go like this. Okay, damn, it's an arm workout. All right, now let me just fill this. Okay, I could definitely do a little 4 clipper for the next section. All right, we're gonna do the 4 clipper close to that 2 clipper that we just did. Ready? Boom. I try to really line it up in the middle just to make sure I'm getting to like the middle of my head, because I would hate for this to be super lopsided. So yeah, we're doing like that. I actually have a good amount of space. Yeah, so I'm gonna fill these parts in too. I don't have any, oh wait, yeah, I don't have any more 4 clippers, so we're gonna try to really use these 5. These clips that have, is it 5? Yeah, 5. Bless me. Still have a bit of space. Let me see if this would fit. Just gonna try it out. Okay. Still far away from my parting. Okay, that's perfect. I want to line it up in the middle. Okay. I have the middle clip here. Boom. Put these 2 and these last 2. All right, we are good to go. I think it's pretty full, honestly. I'm not about to put extra, so yeah, this is how it looks. All right, we're all set. Now we are going to brush everything back. As you can see, no clips are shown, and we love that. I'm even gonna show it in the back. No clips shown, and we love that. On the side too, no clips shown. On the side too. Whoop. Whoa, this one kind of bent a little bit. Anyways, all right, let me just show y'all while I put it up. Okay, y'all, spring is definitely here because I've been sneezing and my eyes have been getting watery. It's just super annoying. Never thought I had allergies, but I definitely do. We are going to tie our hair up using that little tie. Has way more strength than my other ones, so I'm actually able to go around like more than friggin' 2 times, because the other ones, if I go more than 2 times, it will break, and we don't want that right now. Boom. Alrighty. Edges, I don't like to put a whole bunch of product on my edges, but literally I went to the gym earlier today and that's why my edges are very pushed up. Poofed up or pushed up, I don't know what I'm saying. So, just gonna add a little bit of this product. Yeah, gonna go over that a little bit. Hopefully I don't burn myself. I'm literally sweating while doing this right now. Okay. This should make this way better. Alright, not bad, not bad. Honestly, not gonna do the back of my head because that's nobody's business but mine. So, just gonna use a little bit of gel because genuinely can't go wrong with a little bit of gel. Just gonna put that here. Push that up. I'm not the best at this because I feel like I don't know, either I do a little tiny bit of hair or not as much, and it just be looking a little crazy sometimes, but you know what, it is what it is. I said I wasn't going to use a lot of edge gel, and look at me going over this like 5 million times. You're gonna brush this up, gonna brush this up, and then I'm gonna do a minor touch up on the hair. Just gonna flip this towards me. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you know, sometimes I do like to put a bit of wax just in case if my hair sticks up too much, but genuinely it's not sticking up that much because my hair is a little, you know, stiff because it's been 3 weeks since I've washed my hair, honestly, so that's why I'm actually comfortable doing this hairstyle right now. But yeah, this is the final look. If you stayed until this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was both entertaining and helpful for you. And if you really enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you here again. I will also be doing a half up, half down style using clip-ins, so I hope you guys can catch that next week.